How I can earn through Canva.com. Canva.com is primarily a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content such as social media graphics, presentations, posters, and more. While Canva itself does not provide a direct earning opportunity for users, there are several ways you can potentially earn money using Canva. Freelance graphic design. If you have graphic design skills, you can use Canva to create stunning designs for clients. You can promote your services on freelance platforms, social media, or create your own website to attract clients who need professional designs. Print-on-demand products. Canva offers integration with various print-on-demand services, such as Printful or Redbubble. You can design custom artwork or graphics on Canva and then upload them to these platforms to be printed on items like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, etc. When customers purchase products with your designs, you earn a commission. Etsy or online marketplaces. Canva designs can be used to create digital products such as printable artwork, invitations, templates, and more. You can sell these digital products on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. Create high-quality designs using Canva, save them as PDFs or other compatible formats, and sell them as digital downloads. Social media management. With Canva, you can create eye-catching social media graphics and posts. You can offer social media management services to businesses and organizations, creating engaging content for their social media platforms using Canva. This can include designing images, creating templates, and scheduling posts. Online courses or ebooks. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can use Canva to design visually appealing course materials, ebooks, or workbooks. You can then sell these educational resources on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Remember, these are just a few ideas to help you get started. The key is to leverage your creativity, design skills, and Canva's features to offer unique and valuable products or services that people are willing to pay for. On what platform I can sell my services of Canva flyers, business card and thumbnail and other? There are several platforms where you can sell your services for Canva flyers, business cards, thumbnails, and other design assets. Here are a few popular options. Freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to create a profile and offer your graphic design services. You can showcase your Canva expertise and advertise your services to potential clients looking for design work. Social media. Utilize social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter to promote your Canva design services. You can create posts showcasing your portfolio, offer special discounts or packages, and engage with potential clients directly. Graphic design marketplaces. Websites like Creative Market, Graphic River, and Design Hill are marketplaces specifically designed for graphic designers to sell their design assets, including Canva templates. You can create and upload your designs for sale, reaching a wide audience of potential buyers. Etsy. Etsy is a popular online marketplace for handmade and digital products. You can create a shop on Etsy and sell your Canva designs as digital downloads, targeting customers who are looking for printable artwork, invitations, or templates. Your own website or online store. Establishing your own website or online store gives you full control over your branding, pricing, and offerings. You can create a dedicated website to showcase your Canva design services and provide a convenient way for clients to contact you and make purchases. Remember to create a strong portfolio showcasing your Canva designs, and consider offering different packages or pricing options to attract a variety of clients. Marketing your services effectively and providing high-quality work will help you build a solid reputation and attract more customers over time. How much I can earn from Canva? The amount you can earn from Canva depends on several factors, including the specific services you offer, the quality of your work, your level of experience, your marketing efforts, and the demand for your services. It's important to note that Canva itself is a graphic design tool and does not provide direct earning opportunities. However, you can use Canva to create designs that you can then sell through various channels. If you offer services like creating custom designs, templates, or digital products using Canva, your earnings will depend on factors such as pricing. Determine your pricing structure based on factors like the complexity of the project, the time required, and your level of expertise. You can charge an hourly rate or offer fixed package prices for different types of design work. Target market. The demand for your services and the willingness of your target market to pay for them will affect your earnings. Assess the needs of your target audience and tailor your services to meet those demands. Volume of work. The number of clients and projects you take on will directly impact your earnings. Consider how much time you can dedicate to your design work and how many clients you can realistically handle without compromising quality. Marketing and promotion. Effective marketing efforts can help you attract more clients and increase your earning potential. Utilize online platforms, social media, and networking opportunities to showcase your work and reach a wider audience. Reputation and experience. As you gain experience and build a positive reputation, you may be able to increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Word-of-mouth referrals and positive reviews can also contribute to your earning potential. It's challenging to provide an exact figure for potential earnings, as it varies greatly from person to person. Some designers earn a few $100s per month, while others may generate a full-time income. The key is to consistently deliver high-quality work, promote your services effectively, and adapt to the evolving needs of your target market. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.